Identify the various paths. So path number 1. 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. You write it. 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. This is a path. Path means the activity is how much work done in the each events or each activity. Activity means earthwork excavation going on. Here foundation going on. Again built concrete. Again slab concrete. Next plastering work. Eighth event is finishing work. So this is a path 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. Path 2. 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. Path 3. 1, 3, 6, 8. These are the paths. So second question, identify the various paths. Identify the various paths. Path 1, path 2, path 3. Next question, mark the value of TE and TL and slack. So TE, you find computations of TE value. Computations of TE. TE means the expected time or the project or duration of the total duration of the project is called TE. Total duration of the project or expected time of the project. Computation of TE to find the path number 1. So path number 1, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. This is a path 1. From this path, you calculate the TE value. So TE1 equal to 0. TE1 always 0 because the no activity is going on. Here TE1 is equal to 0. Again, next step, TE2 is equal to TE1 plus TE1 to 2. TE2 is equal to TE1 plus TE1 to 2. Here you draw 1 to 2 means here TE1 to 2. TE1 is equal to 0 plus TE1 to 2 is equal to 5. Equal to 5 days. Here you find the TE value. You note down here this is a forward pass. Here forward pass. Forward pass means TE1 plus, this is also a main point. Forward pass means plus you add some numbers. Okay. Next TE5. TE2 plus TE2 to 5. So TE2 is equal to 5 days plus TE2 to 2 to 5 is equal to 6 days. You mark 6 is equal to 11 days. So TE7 is equal to TE5 plus TE5 to 7. TE5 is equal to 11 days plus TE5 to 7. Here TE5 to 7 is equal to 3 days. So you mark 3 days. 14 days. Next TE8 is equal to TE7 plus TE7 to 8 is equal to 14 plus TE7 to 8. Here you mark it TE7 to 8 means 4 days. You write 4 days is equal to 18 days. So here TE8 is equal to 18 days. Okay. So path 1 path 1 TE8 is equal to 18 days. You remember it. Next again path 2. Path 2 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. You write it here. 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. Here T1 is equal to 0. Here you mention T1 equal to 0. Because always DE1 equal to 0. Because no activity is going on. No activity means only preparation of the site. Preparation of the site. Next, second is activity going on. Which activity? Earthwork excavation going on. So 5 days earthwork excavation. Here T1 equal to always 0. T1 is equal to always 0. Second, TE2 is equal to TE1 plus TE1 to 2. TE1 equal to 0 plus TE1 to 2. TE1 to 2 is equal to how many days? 5 days. So here 5 equal to 5 days. Again, TE4 is equal to T2 completed. Again TE4. TE4 is equal to TE2 plus TE2 to T4 is equal to T2 plus T2 to 4. T2 to 4. T2 to 4. Here you note down T4 is equal to T2 plus T2 to 4. T2 to 4 duration 1 days. 1 day equal to T2 is equal to how much? 5 days. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6 days. Next, TE7 equal to TE4 plus TE4 to 7. TE4 to 7. So 6 plus 12 is equal to 18 days. Next, TE8 is equal to TE7 plus TE7 to 8. TE7 to 8, 4 days. So TE7 is equal to 18 plus TE7 to 7 to 8 is equal to 4. 23 days. 22 days. Cut பண்ணு.